Good morning. In last class, I explained types of solutions and definition of solution and expression of concentration. In that expression of concentration, we can express the concentration mainly in two types. One is qualitatively, second one is quantitatively. Qualitatively, we have two types of solutions: dilute solutions and concentrated solution. It was explained in last class. Today I am going to explain in second part of these solutions quantitative concentration expression. In this we have three types of expressions. Concentration expressed in terms of percentages, first type. Concentration expressed in terms of parts per million, and third one is concentration expressed in terms of moles. First we see expression of concentration in percentages. Percentage means amount of a component present in each 100 parts. Amount of a component present in each 100 parts. In these solutions, mainly we discuss about only binary solutions. That means the solution which are having only two components. Okay. First we see this percentage of solutions. Again have three types of percentage of solutions. One is mass percentage represented by W by W or M by M. Second one is volume percentage represented by V by V. Third one is mass by volume represented by W by V or M by V. First we see the definition of mass percentage. It is amount of a component in grams. Amount of a component in grams present in 100 grams of solution. Okay. See here a question is given: 10 grams of glucose dissolved in 90 grams of water. Then calculate the mass percent of glucose. In this we have two components. One is glucose, second one is water. To calculate the mass percentage of a component, I am taking glucose as a example. Mass percentage of glucose, we can write the formula mass percentage of the component, i.e. mass of the glucose divided by the total mass of the solution and multiply by 100. Okay. First we solve this problem. In question it was given 10 grams of glucose is dissolved in 90 grams of water. So mass of glucose, that is 10 grams, and total mass of the solution means mass of water plus mass of glucose, that is 10 plus 90 equals to 100 grams. And mass percent of glucose, we have to substitute these values in this formula. By substituting this 10 by 100 into 100, 100 cancels, we get 10, that is 10 percentage. How to express concentration in mass percentage? For this we have to write 10% W by W, because we have V by V and W by V also. So we have to mention which is W by W or V by V or W by V. 10% W by W concentrated glucose solution. It means 10 grams of glucose is present in 100 grams of solution. Second, volume percentage. In first case we have expressed the amount of component in grams. Okay. and we expressed the total amount of the solution also in grams. In this case, we have to express the amount of a component in mLs, milliliters, that is, and amount of solution also in milliliter. For this, we have formula volume percent of a component. For volume percent of a component, we have a formula volume in ml of a component divided by total volume of the solution multiplied by 100. Here we have a next question. 10 ml of ethanol is dissolved in 80 ml of water. Then calculate volume percentage of ethanol. Okay. First we have to write V of ethanol. V of ethanol. I from the question, it is 20 ml, and total V of total volume of solution, that is equals to 20 plus 80, it equals to 100 ml. Now volume percentage of ethanol, we have to substitute these values in this formula, that is equals to 20 by 100 into 100. 100 cancels and 20 is remain, and we have to write the expression of concentration. See, 20%, so here it is V by V, because we are discussing about volume percentage. 20% V by V concentrated ethanol solution. Okay. Third one, mass by volume. In this, amount of a component in grams present in 100 ml of solution. Amount of a component in grams present in 100 ml of solution. Formula to calculate mass by volume percentage of a component is mass of the component in grams, and total volume of the solution into 100. Here a question is given, we have to solve this. Five grams of glucose is dissolved in 50 ml of water or 50 ml of solution. Calculate m by v percentage. Okay. So mass of glucose, that is 5 grams, and V of solution, that is 50 ml. Okay. By substituting these values in this formula, 5 by 50 into 100, 0, 0, 5 1, we get 10%, and we have to express in terms of concentration, that is 10% m by v concentrated glucose 10% M by V concentrated glucose solution. Okay, now I am going to discuss about parts per million. Million means 10 lakhs, i.e. that is 10 power 6. In this, number of parts of a component present in 10 power 6 parts of a solution. Here we expressed in terms of 100. Now here we are expressing in terms of 10 power 6. Number of parts of a component present in 10 power 6 parts of a solution. Formula for parts per million of a component is number of parts of a component divided by total number of parts of all components. Total number of parts of all components into 10 power 6. Here one more problem is given here. 5.8 parts of O2. Oxygen is dissolved in 10 power 6 parts of sea water. Then calculate the parts per million of O2. First we have to write number of parts of O2, that is 5.8 parts, and total number of parts of solution, that is 10 power 6. We have to substitute these values in this in the above equation. 5.8 by 10 power 6 into 10 power 6. 10 power 6, 10 power 6 plus cancel. We remain with 5.8, and the expression of this concentration is 5.8 parts per million O2 in 10 power 6 parts of solution. In next class I will explain concentration in terms of moles.